Hi, I'm Nina Vogel. I'm a multidisciplinary artist from Brazil. I'm a director, puppeteer, lyric singer, and actress. I create my own solo shows. I can perform one-on-one or to thousands of people with symphonic orchestras, and I perform around the world. My artwork here at Lize Puppet Art Colony is called Echo in Action. I'm talking about how we are connected to other people in the world and our actions echo on them. So I'm working on the creation of a costume, extended costume, and for the first time with 4 other performers on stage, with music and all within the study of the shape of the river here in Ireland, which is also constellation and parts of the body. You are all invited to come to our open lab. Please come watch my artwork and other incredible artists from all over the world.